Hi! Today we are going to learn how to compare different sizes together. Big, bigger, biggest! Now let's do the opposite of big, which is small. Small, smaller, smallest. Smallest, smaller, small. Big, bigger, biggest. Now it's your turn. Let's see if you can find the right size. Which one is the biggest? This one? This is the biggest one. Which one is the smallest? This one? This is the smallest one. Today we learned different sizes. Hope you like the video. See you next time. Bye.